Has your dog been diagnosed with a heart murmur? It's important to understand what this means for their health. A heart murmur in dogs is an abnormal sound during a heartbeat, caused by turbulent blood flow. This creates a whooshing sound heard with a stethoscope. Murmurs can result from heart valve issues, congenital defects, or heartworm disease. Symptoms may include coughing, lethargy, or difficulty breathing, indicating potential heart conditions. To determine the cause, vets may recommend tests like blood work or an echocardiogram. Treatment varies. Mild murmurs might need no treatment, while severe cases could require medication or surgery. With proper care, many dogs with heart murmurs live normal lives. Early diagnosis is key. Regular vet checkups ensure your dog stays healthy and happy.